Well, the time has changed. It's so pretty out there. It's nice out. The time has changed. It started getting dark early. I think Gizmo has kennel cough. He has been coughing all weekend. It's not bad, but it is noticeable. When he moves around a lot, he'll cough. Like when he gets down off the bed or when he's eating, he'll cough a little bit. It's not severe. His nose is not running, and I don't think he has a fever or anything like that. He has had his kennel cough vaccine, so I think his Bordello vaccine, he had that before we started boarding him, and that's supposed to help, you know, if he does catch it. And it is common to the dogs catch sometimes when they are boarded, as long as it's not severe and his nose is not running and stuff. They say he can, he'll probably be okay within a couple of weeks or so. The cough should go away. So if it gets any worse, we'll take him to the vet. But I don't think it's going to, because he's not doing it often. But him-ish coughing a little bit. But he's still using the bathroom. He's still eating and drinking. He hasn't lost his appetite or anything like that. So as long as he still, has his appetite and he's moving around and acting like himself, we're going to be okay. But that is something that we're going to keep an eye on. So he's got kennel cough, and it seems like my asthma has been acting up. I've noticed my breathing has been kind of weird. It started last night. So I've been taking my asthma medication. And sometimes if I take my asthma medication, they give me the shakes. So, if it ain't one thing helps in one way. Look at that, how that plane is making that line across the sky. One thing helps in one way, and then it acts weird in another. So I just been chilling. Today I've been resting. That's about it. I might get a little crochet done. Okay, something is moving over there. It may be that squirrel. Come back over here. Something is moving over there. Come back, Gizmo. You don't have to go over there and find out what it is, because it may be something else. We about to go in the house, because I don't know what that is, but I hear it rustling. So we gonna go in the house, because I don't know what that is, child. And I don't think it's a skunk or anything this time of night, because it's too early. But something is over there rustling and stuff. You heard it too, huh? You heard it, Poochie? I don't know what that was, Mama. Okay, y'all. So we'll talk to y'all later. I love you. Bye.